Hi, thank you for calling Conversion House. Can I start by getting your name, please?
Yeah, it's Kian.
Thanks, Tian. How can I help you today?
I'd like to book an appointment, please.
I see that your number is +491768436. Should I use this number to send you the booking link?
Yes, please.
Sending you the booking link now. I've sent the booking link to your number, Tian. Please check your messages and let me know if you receive it. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you for calling, Tian. If you have any other questions in the future, please don't hesitate to reach out.
Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to look at how you can set up caller ID for your Vapi Assistant. Now what do I mean by caller ID? Well, as we just looked at in the demo, it's when someone calls in, your agent can automatically read the incoming phone number and then use that in different functions and tools. If you've already built some agents and you have some experience with Vapi, you'll know that collecting caller information can sometimes be a little bit tedious. This is a really simple way to streamline it, and it's also a much better experience for the caller. With a few simple additions to our prompt, we can set caller ID up. It means you remove an extra step of the caller having to provide their phone number. It also reduces the risk of error if the phone number or a digit goes wrong. And it also just gives a much more premium feel to your agent. So let's actually jump into it and I'll show you how to set this up. Okay, so in my Vapi dashboard, I have an assistant created here, and this prompt I've shared before in a different video, but this is just a simplified version of it. I'll also link this in the description, so if you want to actually copy that prompt, you can take a look at it. But let me just talk you through the different steps here. So first of all, we're going to greet the caller. We're then going to ask the agent to check the current date, time, and opening hours. So we're using this dynamic variable just to give it the current date and time and my location, and then the opening hours are here. So then based on whether it's within office hours or outside of office hours, it's going to respond a little bit differently. So if it's within office hours, thanks name, how can I help? And if it's outside of office hours, just going to let the caller know that it's currently closed, but if you want to book an appointment or take a message for the team, we can help you. But actually getting into the appointment booking scenario that we just looked at here. So first of all, I'm asking the agent to check for existing phone number. And one of the variables that is available in the Vapi documentation is this customer number. So we can actually use this directly in our prompt and our agent will recognize it. So first of all, I'm asking the agent to check for an existing customer number. So if we can read the customer phone number from the incoming call. And then if it can, confirm with the caller, I see that your number is customer number. Should I use this number to send you the booking link? If the caller confirms, then call the booking link function, which we'll look at in a second. What if the phone number is different? So we kind of have a fallback scenario here. If the caller provides a different number, update the phone number, confirm, and then call the booking link function. And then if there's no customer number available for whatever reason, if the agent can't read the incoming phone, we also have a different fallback scenario here. So just prompt the caller, could you please provide me with your phone number? Once it's provided, then call the booking link function. So as you can see from the prompt, it's pretty straightforward. By using this dynamic variable from the Vapi documentation, we can allow the agent to read the incoming phone number and then use it directly in different booking functions. So just one other thing to mention on the prompt before we actually get to the booking link function. Just down here in the notes, you can see that I prompted the AI to remember to check the caller's phone number before asking for it. This is kind of just a reminder to the AI because I found in some cases it would just jump straight into asking for the customer's phone number rather than checking for the existing phone number. So a little nudge like this or a reminder just helps it to check the phone number beforehand. Okay, so you can see how you can use this dynamic variable inside your prompt. It's pretty straightforward. It allows the agent to actually read the number, but let's take a look at how you would actually then use this in a different function. So if we jump over to tools, you can see that I have this booking link function set up. So this is a function to send an SMS booking link to the caller. And the two properties that I've listed here are just name and phone number. So then on the make side of things, I've just connected that function to a webhook. And my webhook is just triggering this Twilio send a message. So I've set up a Twilio phone number here, and it's sending to the customer number variable like this. So once the function is called, it'll basically just trigger a text message to that customer number. And what I provided it here is just a link to complete the booking. So you can complete your booking here. That's the text message that I received. So that's it. As you can see, using that customer number dynamic variable is actually quite straightforward. You can insert it into your prompt and then use it in different functions and tools like I have with the booking link. By setting this up, you can really streamline the process of collecting callers' information. You can remove those extra steps of the user having to call out their phone number and the possibility for errors there. But it also just gives a much more premium feel to your agent and a much better experience for the caller. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video.